I think what, it's March 9th of 2023? This is like what Osama did back in the day, the early 2000s, like sit somewhere and like be filmed, and then they would like send the videos to fucking like CNN and all that, and then he'd be on the news, like he'd have like a microphone like saying, you know, the West is infidels and everything. If you're about my age, you'll remember that, maybe. Anyway, the temperature is like 37 degrees, getting down to like 32, and then it's gonna start snowing at 2 p.m. and it's gonna be snowing like all the next 24 hours after that until Friday, and it's gonna be a big one. You know, we're getting 5 inches now. I know 5 inches ain't a big one for some of you, but you know, some of us, we take what we can get. All right, sweetie. Okay, I can't just go on Tinder and get like 7, 8 inches any time of the day or night. Okay. So it's a big snow time, so just keep that in mind. Drink your hot chocolate, get your hot chalky. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, you can get a coconut milk hot chalky. Yeah, that's real nice. And get the like canned coconut milk that's really high in fat. Don't get the like barista like coconut milk that's in like one of those like weird fucking cardboard pitcher bottle things that's like for putting in your cereal. That's not even, that's just like, I don't know, it's not real coconut milk, whatever. I'm the authority on what's real and what's fake, so we're gonna draw our card. Okay, Knight of Cups, Knicht of Cups. There's a motherfucking knight, which is to say a libertarian mercenary from the medieval times. And he's got a cup, and he's just chilling, looking at it. And there's a nice little stream of calm water behind him. Thing about knights, they're all charging into action. They're all about action in the real world. This knight is chilling, looking at his cup. He's the only knight who isn't charging in, but he's still about taking action. He's kind of a romantic, because cups are about emotion, and often like, love and relationships and bullshit like that. And so this guy that's his thing, but he's focused on like doing something. So it could be doing some kind of like creative project that's for your emotions, like writing a stupid song, or which is what I do, or maybe it's like you take action in your relationships, or like make a relationship happen. You're in love with love today. You should become in love with like giving me $100. That would be really cool too. That's your project for today. Okay, that's your job today. But first, your next job is to grab a cup or a mug, a tankard, a chalice, a glass, a stein, a canteen, flask, a bottle, a vessel of any kind. Fill it with your favorite liquid. I like coffee. And join me now for the unparalleled pleasure, your dopamine hit of the day, the thing that makes everything better, the simultaneous sip. Go. Oh, and all the troubles just melt away. That's something you can do. You can get in the shower and like imagine the water like washing all your stress away. Yeah, you can really just do anything. You can imagine anything happening. Is like the big secret. You can imagine all kinds of things. You can imagine giving me $100. Okay, alrighty, folks. Get out there, stay in there. It's gonna be a good one, as good as you make it. Because remember, you're as happy as you imagine you are.